The easiest way to clean your golf clubs on the course isn't a towel, it's this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So when I'm on the golf course and my clubs get a little dirty, basically what I will do is I will just kind of wipe it off with my towel. But this club scrub is supposed to be an improvement on the age-old towel. What you can see here is this is actually kind of big. It's almost like a small handbag. It's actually a little bigger than I thought. And what you can see here is it flips out with this little plastic release buckle right here, so it's easy to detach. It's got a little hook here that you can hook onto your golf bag so it can just hang off with your golfing towel. This little pouch here is made out of neoprene, which I think means it is waterproof. So when you pour a little water in here, which is what you're supposed to do to clean your golf balls, your golf clubs, that kind of stuff, you don't have to worry about it dripping through. So I actually kind of like this design because as it hangs there, any loose water will collect on the bottom as opposed to kind of falling out the side. Now I will say these edges here are pretty stiff, so they provide quite a bit of structure. You know, it feels very robust. And then if you look in the inside here, and I'm just going to kind of flip it open here, it looks like a terry cloth towel for the most part, which is kind of nice because I think this is going to hold in water. But I want to flip it over to this side, and what you can see here is we have a little bit more of an aggressive, I would call this like a polyester. It feels a little bit like a soft dishwasher scrubbing brush. So that'll give you a little bit more of an aggressive texture to clean up the grooves on your golf club and whatnot. So basically what I want to do here, I'm going to take a little water here and just pour it in. You're not supposed to put much in here. I think it said maybe like a quarter of a cup. So that's probably more than enough. And you can see here, it's not dripping out, which is a good sign. I also have a club here that has been decently used. Head's been buried. So we'll see if we can get the dirt out, particularly in those grooves. That's kind of what I'm most curious about. Now, obviously, it doesn't matter really which way you put it in, assuming that you can get a hold of it and kind of do a little scrubbing. It seems like it's easiest is just to kind of grab the club and then move the club with your hand like this. And I'm not sure which side the scrubbing's on. It's actually on the inside, so I am actually getting it on the club. But if you put it in the other way, I mean, terry cloth towel, it's going to do a little bit of cleaning. Dude, all right, let's clean already. I don't even need to extend the demo. All those little grooves are clean. The sole's clean. That looks pretty good. So I tell you what, that beats just a wipe down with your normal golf towel. That's for sure. I mean, that thing's clean. Do that a couple times. Throw it back in your bag. Have this with you. I really like this, man. This thing is going to go on my golf bag. And I tell you what I think the best thing about this is you just unclip it and you put it in your washing machine to clean it out. So pretty cool. Little water, and your clubs are going to be clean when you're on the golf course. Hey, if you want to pick up the club scrub, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.